-DDM007 Mini Donut Maker Machine. Get creative with the Express Mini Donut Maker. Make cute, tasty mini donuts at home in no time. Perfect for snacking, entertaining and more. Just plug it in, add your choice of batter, and you're ready to cook. Dual surfaces heat evenly for consistent, delicious results, and the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. Mini donuts can be frosted, glazed and decorated for a fun-filled project the whole family will love. Babycakes Donut Maker. Making your own donuts couldn't be easier. 1. Combine dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. 2. In separate bowl whisk together remaining ingredients, except glaze or topping. 3. Fill each cooking reservoir with about 2 tablespoons of batter. 4. Bake about 4 to 5 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into donut comes out clean. 5. Glaze or coat with powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar, as desired. Brentwood Mini Donut Maker Machine, non-stick, pink. Powerful 750-watt mini donut maker bakes 7 donuts in just a few minutes. Impress your kids, friends and family with delicious varieties of mini donuts, brownies, cakes, muffins and more. Mini donuts slide right off of the non-stick plates making cleanup a snap. Safely operate with cool touch handles. Convenient power and preheat indicator lights. Crocker BC2938CO Mini Donut Maker. Prepares 7 mini delicious hot and fresh donuts in just minutes. Donuts are baked instead of fried for less mess and less fat. Complete with cool touch handle, power on light indicator and temperature ready indicator light. Non-stick surface ensures golden results and flawless release. Includes a piping bag with assorted nozzles and spatula for decorating needs. Material type, stainless steel.